Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I do all sorts of unboxings. I do clothing, I do lifestyle, I do occasionally a food unboxing, jewelry unboxings, you name it, I probably have done it. So today's unboxing is a Stitch Fix unboxing. They are so much fun to unbox. The shopping comes to you. And I just got into Instacart. That's where you can order from your local grocery stores. We have a Safeway. I order from Safeway. And we don't have a Costco super close to us. And I can actually order from Costco. It does take longer, like a couple days to get to me because not a lot of people want to drive all the way out to where I live. But how awesome. I mean, these drivers like pick out your fresh fruit, your vegetables. I mean, better than I probably could do. So I just love this Instacart. And it's like free shipping, free delivery. You tip them. And I am trying to figure out if anybody knows, I live in Arizona and I'm not paying sales tax. I don't know if I should say that out loud, but I pay like $2 or $4 sales tax versus like the 8% I would pay when I go into the store. Still don't know how that works. But getting back to my Stitch Fix, when you open it up, there's the return bag. Sometimes I return, sometimes I keep. So we'll see what is today. And then there's the envelope, which has our stylist card. And I've been getting Susie. And let's see if I still have her. And, yep, still have Susie. And then are the pricing. And as you know, if you keep all 5, you get that 25% discount. And in my box, it looks like we have a handbag. And the bundles are bigger because it's cooler. And let me tell you, we've been getting a lot of rain and a lot of cooler weather. So I have been requesting some sweaters. So let's get into the handbag first. So how are you guys doing? Are you all having a good start of the New Year's? I know I am. You know, it's my birthday month. So every day, you know, I'm doing something special for myself, as it should be in life. And we went away for my birthday, just a night with some friends. So I actually had to cancel my hair appointment that I booked like 2 months ago. I was not very happy about it, and neither is my hair. So the struggles. So again, the first thing is this nice handbag. It's really not my type, so I'm not going to take it all apart. It's probably a crossbody, and it's maybe that pleather or whatever, but it feels kind of cheap to me. It's not something that I would wear. It's kind of, I don't know, plain Jane. I mean, it's cute, but it's not, to me, quality. I'd rather, I don't know how much it is yet, but I'd rather pay a little more and get something quality looking. But it is cute, and actually, to be honest, it's a good size. I mean, it is a size that I would wear, but it's just not my cup of tea. So that's the first thing. And let's get into the bundle. Okay. And I must open from the bottom up. I got the jeans. And I have been putting on weight. I don't know if it's because of my illness and the new pills they put me on, so I'm gonna go with that and not my eating. So they're different than any jean I own. They're the same size, but they do have some stretch to them. I'm kind of liking that. And these are by City Blue, and they're eco-friendly denim. and they have this like stitching here. So it's different. I really don't tuck in any of my shirts, so you probably wouldn't see it, but I do like it. And it's got just a tad distressing, and just like plain bottoms. So this is cute. And then the next is a sweater. And I think I picked this out in my preview. You can pick out, they send you 10 items and you can pick out 5. So you can actually pick out your own 5 for 5. And I think I picked this out because it's got this cute little stitching on the side. And it's on both sides, but I'm feeling the sweater and it's super soft. I'd be afraid it'd be super itchy. So, and I think, yeah, this is a large. It looked like it would fit. And then we have another sweater, and this is by Pink Clover. And I think I picked this one out as well. It's pretty plain, but it has the buttons on the top. And nothing special, just a sweater, which is what I like to wear. And then we have a piece of jewelry. And I can tell, it's silver, so it's, you know, my color. And I don't know who, this is by Ralph Lauren. Ooh. And it's got some shine to it. I don't know if we can see it. It would probably look good with both the sweaters. So I'm not sure. And I just have to show you, when we went away with this other couple, we stayed in a casino and we found a massage person that would actually come to the casino and give us massages. So it was to die for. We each had, me and the other woman, the woman from the other couple, we each had 90-minute massages, which were terrific. Then we went to the gift shop, and they have a really nice gift shop there. And we each she bought a different one. You probably can't see it, but that show Yellowstone, which we both are fans of, this is a Yellowstone necklace. And it's got the silver in the back and the gold wide. So this is my new piece that I'll be sporting. I had to go to a casino gift shop to find the perfect necklace. So these were my 5 pieces, and I will be back with the try-on. Okay, I am back with the first, I guess it's 4 pieces. I'm filming at kind of a funky angle here, so please forgive me. I didn't take it apart. This is the Market and Spruce Olix Dome Crossbody, and they're calling this the color Cognac. So it would be, again, a perfect crossbody size. It's just not my type. So that's the first piece. And then I threw on the necklace, and this is the Ralph Lauren jewelry in silver. And I didn't mind it, except I couldn't double it. I probably could, but it would just choke my neck. So it's got the silver, and then you can probably maybe wear it both ways, but again, it would choke me if I tried to double it. So this is gonna go back. And then I also have on the Olivia Distress Slim Straight A pants in indigo in a size 8, and these are horrific. You'll see in a minute. And I'm wearing the dark gray pink Luxley side, well, I guess I'm not. I'm wearing the dark gray Scotto Carson crew neck button detail. And I do like the sweater. It's Not as, it's soft, but it's kind of scratchy. So I thought if I'd wear it like all day, this part would drive me crazy because this is where the scratchiness is. So it's nice. I think it fits nice. It looks nice with the silver piece of jewelry. I'll turn around. So we'll go over pricing at the end. So I do like the sweater, but I find that it might get itchy. And then these are the pants. I like the fit. I like the detail here, although you'd never see it because I'd always have on a sweater. This is where my problem comes in. I'm gonna put you down. You know, they fit nice, the distressing's at the bottom, but I don't like the bottoms. They're like a bell, they're short. I paired them with some boots that I would never wear in real life. And I just don't like the way they fit. I'm like 5'7", a little over 5'7", so I don't know if a shorter person would wear these, but yeah, I mean, the fit is nice. But yeah, these were no, as soon as I went and I put them on, I'm like, no. I didn't even know if I wanted to show them. So these were like the first 4 pieces, and I'll be back with that last sweater. Okay, I'm back with the last item. This is the Panique Loxley side lace detail sweater. They're calling it light gray, and it's in a large. And I think this is what I picked. When you can pick out your 10 pieces, this is the one I picked. And I do like this one. It doesn't feel like it would be itchy. This is my color pattern. I know I'm into like darks, grays, blacks. So I do like the way it fits. I really need to work on my filming skills. It's got the detail here. That's kind of what I liked about it. It's a little different. So it fits long enough in the back. Try to hide the belly here. And it's super soft. I probably would hand wash this and then lay it flat. But what do you think of this one? This would probably be my only keeper. So let's go over prices while I'm outside, and it's probably about 60 something out here, so it feels really nice. So the total price of this box would be $261.99. The buy all discount is $65.50, and then it's $196.49. And then I guess there's some kind of credit. I have styling is membership with complimentary styling is currently active. Your style pass, so I don't get that. Because normally my styling pass is $49 for the year, and I don't remember when that is up, so I have a $20 credit, so it would come to $176.49. But I really don't like any other pieces except for this one. And the blue jeans for $58. This sweater is $48. The black sweater was $48. The jewelry piece, is that right, was $53.99. And that crossbody handbag was $54. So I thought all those pieces were pricey for especially me not liking them. So let me know what you think of this sweater. I'll probably keep this one. I don't know if it makes me look too large in my belly. As always, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and check for any giveaways I might have going on, and I'll see you next video.